how to check out your order in Zara. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for Zara.com. Here, make sure that you are signed in to your Zara account, and if not, then sign yourself in. Further, tap on the search bar or simply scroll through and select the product that you want to buy. Once you have selected the product, simply tap on the plus option you see there and then select the size and the age of the color. Once done, you will be required to select the color and then select the size again. Once selected, tap on the add option you see there. Once added, the order will be processed and you will see the option for see shopping basket option. Tap on it. You will then be led to your shopping cart of Zara. So go ahead and select the products that you want to check out with and then tap on the continue button. Further, go ahead and enter your billing address, that is your first name, last name, your address, and your city, your postcode, and state along with your phone number. Once entered, tap on the continue button, and in the next interface that you will be led to, you will be required to enter a payment method. So go ahead and enter a payment method and then tap on the authorized payment option you see there. And with this, if the payment method that you entered is correct, then your order will be processed. So this was about how you can check out your order in Zara. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.